Hello everyone. In my previous speech, I explained what front-end development is. Now, in this part, I will talk about why front-end development is so important and what skills are required to become a front-end developer. First of all, front-end development is important because it creates the first impression of any website. When a user visits a website, they don't see the backend or code, they only see the design, layout, and how smoothly everything works. If the front end is attractive and easy to use, users stay longer. Otherwise, they leave quickly. Now let's talk about the skills required. A front-end developer must have a good understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the basic building blocks. Along with this, they should know how to make websites responsive so that they work properly on mobile phones, tablets, and laptops. Another important skill is problem solving. Sometimes designs don't work as expected, so developers need to fix issues and improve user experience. Also, learning modern frameworks like React can help in building fast and dynamic websites. Let's understand with a real-life example. Suppose you visit an online shopping website. If buttons don't work properly, images load slowly, or the layout looks messy, you will not like using that website. This shows how important front-end development is in real life. In today's digital world, every company wants a strong online presence. That's why front-end developers are in high demand and have many career opportunities. In conclusion, front-end development is not just about design, but also about creating a smooth and user-friendly experience. With the right skills and practice, anyone can become a successful front-end developer. Thank you.